In this video, learn how to effectively use Python's exec and eval functions for dynamic code generation, crucial for building flexible applications. You'll gain skills to safely implement and optimize dynamic code in your projects. Welcome to our deep dive into the realm of Python's exec and eval functions. Have you ever wondered how dynamic code generation can transform your coding experience? In this video, we will unravel the mystery behind exec and eval, showing you how these powerful tools can make your applications more flexible and adaptable. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to implement these functions safely and efficiently in your projects. Let's embark on this journey together.
To truly master exec and eval, we must first understand what they are. In Python, exec is a function that executes Python code dynamically, while eval evaluates expressions and returns the result. The key difference is that exec can execute complex statements, whereas eval is limited to single expressions. Imagine having the ability to generate and execute code on the fly, adapting to new requirements without rewriting entire segments. This flexibility is what makes exec and eval indispensable tools in dynamic coding. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and understanding these basics is crucial for harnessing their full potential. While the power of exec and eval is undeniable, it is imperative to address the security concerns associated with their use. These functions can run arbitrary code, which poses significant risks if not handled properly. Imagine an attacker slipping malicious code into your application. This is a nightmare scenario for any developer. To safeguard your projects, always validate and sanitize inputs before passing them to exec or eval. Employing these best practices ensures the integrity of your applications and keeps potential threats at bay, allowing you to harness the full potential of dynamic code generation safely.
Dynamic code generation is not just a theoretical concept, it's a powerful technique with real-world applications. In web development, exec and eval can be used to create customizable templates or execute user-defined scripts. Automation is another area where these functions shine, reducing repetitive tasks and increasing efficiency. Consider a scenario where you need to adapt to changing data structures on the fly. Dynamic code generation makes this possible without major overhauls. By exploring these practical examples, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how exec and eval can be leveraged to create more responsive and adaptable applications.
Errors and exceptions are an inevitable part of coding, especially when dealing with dynamic code. With exec and eval, the stakes are higher, as errors can lead to unexpected behavior. Understanding common pitfalls and implementing effective error handling strategies is crucial. Utilize try-except blocks to catch and manage exceptions, ensuring your application remains stable. Debugging dynamically generated code can be challenging, but with the right approach, you'll be able to identify and resolve issues efficiently. By mastering error handling, you'll create more robust and reliable applications that stand the test of time. While dynamic code generation offers flexibility, it's essential to consider its impact on performance. Exec and eval can introduce overhead, potentially slowing down your applications. To optimize performance, focus on efficient usage by minimizing unnecessary calls and ensuring code is as concise as possible. Balance the need for flexibility with the demand for speed, and use profiling tools to analyze execution times. By following these best practices, you'll be able to harness the power of exec and eval without compromising the performance of your applications, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. Debugging dynamically generated code presents unique challenges, requiring specialized tools and techniques. Effective debugging starts with comprehensive logging and monitoring, providing insights into code execution. Utilize tools like PyCharm or VS Code, which offer powerful debugging features tailored for Python. Focus on improving code readability and maintainability, making it easier to identify issues. By employing these strategies, you'll be better equipped to troubleshoot problems and ensure your dynamically generated code functions as intended, enhancing the reliability of your applications and providing a seamless user experience.
Let's put theory into practice with a real-world example, building a simple dynamic template engine using exec and eval. Template engines are crucial in web development, allowing for the creation of dynamic content. By leveraging exec and eval, we can generate templates that adapt to different data structures and requirements. Follow along as we walk through a step-by-step guide to building a basic template engine, showcasing the benefits of dynamic code generation. This case study highlights how dynamic templates can simplify web development, reducing the need for repetitive code and enhancing flexibility. We've reached the end of our journey into Python's exec and eval functions. Today, we explored the basics, security considerations, real-world applications, and performance optimization of dynamic code generation. Remember, mastering these techniques opens up new possibilities in software development, offering flexibility and adaptability. We encourage you to experiment with exec and eval in your projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Please share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.